Thank you guys for coming back to this channel once again. I'm making some beautiful coasters to go with a tablescape that I'm doing. I got this idea from Christina Davis' channel because I didn't know that we can put metallic powder directly on the coaster mold. I'm going to try this. Let me prepare what I need. I need the resin. I'm going to use some of the wedding scatter. I'm going to try using some of this paint. It's going to be interesting to see how I'm going to put this on here since it's spray paint. And some glitter flakes from Hobby Lobby. I am so excited. When I was watching her video of her doing this, I got excited. I was like, oh, I didn't know we could do that. I was like my son when my grandmother took her wig off in front of him one time. And he stopped and looked at the both of us and said, I didn't know we could take our hair off. I'm going to go ahead and do the other three off camera, and I'll be back. I have the resin powder in all of the molds. I took some of the epoxy when I mixed it up and put it in here, and I just sprayed the paint inside the cup and just mixed it up. Next, I'm going to start pouring the clear epoxy into the molds. Now I'm pouring the green. And now I'm adding just a little bit of the wedding scatter in all four of the molds. And I'm adding some of the glitter flakes from Hobby Lobby. And I'm adding the rest of the resin. I'm going to let these sit and cure. Looking pretty good so far. I'll let them cure just a little bit longer. And then I'll come back and demold them. They have fully cured. Now let me demold them so you can really see the beauty of them. I'm going to wipe them off a bit. And look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Taping off this jar because I'm going to make some unique glasses. So I just need to take this bottom section off so I can paint. I'm going to spray paint the inside of these small containers. I have a new green, guys. This is laurel green. Now, because I can't go outside because it's early in the morning, I don't have a patio. I always make sure that I put my mask on to protect my lungs, and I put this one on also. Okay, I'm all masked up. I'm going to let these sit and dry for a couple of hours. Now that they are dry, I'm going to add some rhinestone ribbon right around the bottom. Now that the rhinestone ribbon is on, next I'm going to take a stemless wine glass from Dollar Tree and glue it on top. These glasses will only be used for decor on my table. I'm using hot glue to glue this on so it'll be easier for me to take off. Now when I need to take them apart, it's quite easy to do. And I'll just peel off the glue piece there, wash the glasses, and I can put them back together as needed. Next, I'm going to work on the glitter pine cones. Just spray some paint onto the pine cones. If you're in an area where you can pick those pine cones up off the ground, I would suggest you do so. Now I'm just sprinkling some of the glam glitter that I mixed up on top of the pine cones. I'm going to spray them again and add a little bit more glitter onto them. And look how beautiful that turned out. Next, the glitter napkin ring. I'm just taking a piece of wallpaper and putting it around the napkin ring that I got from eFavorMart. Simple, and it turned out so beautiful. And just trim off any excess paper. Thank you for watching this DIY. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and you all have a blessed day.